Hi, my name is Etienne Nguyen. I'm the creator of the AI Unraveled podcast, and this is another tutorial for the AI Builders Toolkit available at jamgatech.com. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use OpenAI powerful Sora video generator through Microsoft Bing mobile app to create professional quality videos instantly and without any cost. And remember to do this, I said, without any cost. You don't even need an OpenAI or a Sora account. So you can create videos that are ready to use at no cost at all without even an OpenAI account. So let's go. So the first thing you need to do, assuming that you have an iPhone or an Android, me, I'm working on an iPhone. So you need to go to the Apple App Store, and then you download the Bing app, the Microsoft Bing, right? It's free. So for you, if you don't have it, you're going to have to download it. Me, I already have it. So I'm just going to go and open it. So when you open the Microsoft Bing app, you're going to go here at the bottom, type this square that you see here on my screen, and go to Video Creator. So when you go to Video Creator, you're ready to create your video. So you can enter your prompt here. So we're going to create, I like barbecue, right? And I'm going to create a video of a Afro-Brazilian barbecue in the backyard in Alberta. Create, right? And when you do that, there are various options for your videos, right? So I'll show it to you. For now, these are the only options you have. Like you create a 9:16 aspect ratio video. You can create a 5 seconds video. You can choose between fast or standard, right? So let's go standard for now. And then you click done. So the video is being created. I'm not going to waste too much of your time because I've created this video this morning, and I'll just go and show you exactly what's going to look like. So when you create your video, all your video will come here, right? So you can see this video that I've created, and you can play it, you can download it. To download it, all you have to do is to, if you go, if you open your video, you have option here. You can click on this the down arrow to download it, or triple dot here. You can send feedback. You can recreate your video by just clicking on this. You can play your video, right? And that's the video that I just created. So I'll go and show you the one that I've downloaded, and then the video belongs to you, right? If you go to your photo on your iPhone, you're gonna see the video. It's right here. So let's play it. You see, that's a very nice professional looking video that I just created in less than 5 minutes, and it is completely free. So this tool is powerful. Remember, all you need to do is download Microsoft Bing from Apple App Store and start creating videos. So for now, it's limited to 5 seconds, and I'm sure in the coming days they're gonna increase it, and in the coming days too, it will be available on desktop. So you can do it on your Mac, and then the aspect ratio is going to change. You should be able to do wider videos, and this is incredible. So for this video, you can already post it on Instagram, use it for your product, use it for your services, and you can tag it. You can share it to people. It belongs to you. If you want even more, you can use iMovie to edit the video, and and brand it and write your name on it. It's incredible. Thank you for watching. I'm Etienne Nguyen, creator of the AI Unraveled podcast. Check it out at Apple and like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and check out the AI Builders Toolkit at jamgatech.com.